What's up, guys? So hope you've been enjoying the content of our trip out to Colorado from Tennessee. Kind of a long stretch between videos there for a minute, but we're gonna fix that because we're making some more content today. So today we're gonna go take out the Challenger, go get it washed. If you can see it right here in the camera, it is absolutely filthy from the drive up here. Like, really bad. Yeah. So we're gonna go take it to the car wash. A little spray it off yourself deal. Got my jacket on because it's probably gonna be kind of chilly. And I don't want to get all soaking wet at the car wash. So, as you can see as well, the garage, we got rid of all these boxes so far. So we're getting kind of some stuff figured out. The shelf's locked to the wall, so it's not gonna like fall over or anything. So we got a few more organization type deals to do here, and then figure out what we want to do over here with a workbench type of thing, and move those wheels and the tires and stuff. The tires for the Corvette, the old wheels and tires, we're gonna get the tires taken off, and we're just gonna have the wheels. That way we can stack them easier and they'll take up a lot less room. But we don't know exactly where we're gonna put them, because you can see, like in the old house, we had all those shelves. We do not have that here, and we can't really mount stuff to the drywall here because we're just renting. So, but over here, we could possibly do some shelves or something, because, you know, I can just take it down because they're exposed studs. If I take them down or whatever when I leave, then be good to go. The shitbox has not been started since it got parked right there, so hopefully that will have some content coming in the next couple days to assess what exhaust work we're gonna do and how we're gonna fix it. We're probably gonna do a different tip on the back, but we'll go from there. Already saw a bunch of cool cars around here. There's a neighbor that has a blue Camaro ZL1 down there. Got rolling by in a Jeep right there. Got some exhaust on it or something. A lot of people got, you know, exhaust on their trucks. There's a guy with a 2020 Supra that lives in this neighborhood. There's a Mark IV TDI. It's pretty clapped out looking, but you know, Mark IV life, baby. Clapped out shit boxes. It's just the way it's gonna be. But yeah, there's a guy with a white ZL1 as well. Our neighbor actually has a pretty cool looking Subaru. I think it's a Forester, and he got some wheels on it. I mean, it looks cool to me. Looks a little bit lowered. I didn't even realize, like, just a cool looking car. Because I mean, who really pimps out a Forester? But for now, we're gonna get the car started up, let it warm up just a hair, move some stuff out of the way over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and back out and go to the car wash and spray this baby off. What's up, guys? We're at the car wash, as you can see. Got the old Challenger in the bay, and we'll try to get a few clips of us washing a car. Hell yeah.
right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed us cleaning up the Challenger. Still needs a lot of love. When we get back to the house, we're gonna vacuum it and stuff like that, but we also need to figure out something to do with this gray ass vinyl, some of this plastic trim. So we're just gonna have to, gross, the GoPro's super nasty. And even right here, like this trim, we're gonna have to do some 303 stuff, kind of go over it, do some tire shine when we get back to the house, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean the car. We'll see you back at the house. Well, surprise, surprise, we got the Challenger all cleaned up. Inside, outside, vacuumed, detailed. We didn't do anything, any like sealing or anything like that because it needs a paint correction anyways. But the surprise is we're going to a little car meet during the Corona crisis. So, with some Dodge Challenger Club people up here, and should be a lot of fun. Probably just be a few of us out there hanging out. Hopefully we get some unique looking Challengers and stuff. Whoops, my seat's in the way, or the baby's in the way of my seat. But yeah, we'll see you guys out there. We're gonna stop one place, then we're gonna have a little meetup, drive to another place, meet there, and grab some coffee or some smoothies or whatever the heck they sell there. Two veteran-owned businesses, so we're just trying to support somebody during this time where they probably don't have a lot of business. Yeah, other than that, yeah, we'll see you guys out there on the road. Just kidding, we will not see you out on the road in this video, but we will see y'all out on the road in the next video. We got some cool content coming up for an extra video for tomorrow, which, what's today, Sunday? So y'all get 2 videos today on Sunday. Y'all gonna get 2 videos tomorrow on Monday, which is gonna be the other half of the little car meet with the I can't say fucking Colorado, man. Colorado Dodge Challenger Club. And it was crazy because like 50 bikers showed up. It was absolutely insane, the support that, you know, the community has for small business owners and stuff, and small breweries and stuff like that, and coffee shops, because you know, Walmart and all those guys, they'll be all right. They got millions and millions of dollars, but small business owners don't. That's why we need to be out there doing this kind of stuff. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications, hit the buttons. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.